Hey you all, it's your girl Tiny Sweets. Welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna get right into it. Right now I am adding primer, and let me tell you, it smells really good. Okay, and next I am, of course, starting off with the brows. I'm just gonna let you guys watch because it is a kind of a long process. So you really want to make sure that you're blending and brushing them eyebrows out, especially the beginning of your eyebrows, the front of your eyebrows. You want to focus on that part so it can look nice and flawless. Now this isn't a beginner learning video. However, I believe that the steps that I am taking are beginner friendly. So with that being said, I'm not going to really be doing too much talking and explaining. It's more of a kind of a watch me kind of thing, okay? And because I do love all of my followers, subscribers, all of you all that's showing me love, I purposely left this long, tedious process of me doing my eyebrows so that you guys that are having trouble doing eyebrows, you guys can watch this, okay? When I tell y'all this is my new go-to setting powder, Anastasia Beverly Hills, I love the finish, y'all. Like the undertone, the yellow undertone with my skin complexion just goes hand in hand, and I loved it. So my skin has a tendency of getting like dewy looking because my skin is starting to like sweat underneath. So that's why it is crucial to pat this powder in, y'all. So as you guys can see, the lighting definitely did change, so it was affecting the way my makeup was showing up, and it was just not given. So I did go ahead and finish contouring off camera. Okay, I look good checking myself out, but I'm missing some mascara. Hold on, your girl cannot go anywhere without some mascara. Mascara just does wonders, y'all gonna see. Special shout out to my mom for giving me these full behind lips and my lashes. In case you're wondering, I did order these bad boys on Amazon and I love them. That is all, you guys. I love it. I love the boldness in my eyes. Everything looks great. I'm really in love, y'all. Like, I need to find somewhere to go. Like, this is giving me brats. I will be, answering questions. If you guys have any comments, please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, my name is Tiny Sweets. Thank you so much for watching my channel today. I will be making a brief video talking about, my life, what's been going on, why I haven't been recording as much, and yeah, like, I will be back. No, hold on, fuck that. I'm gonna X that.